Okay, I added list view here, and inside the list view I had taken data template with stack panel. I put it to text block where we can show here title and category, right? So simple thing is that how we can bind here with category and title. This title and category is the property where we can assign the value to property. Now let's create one tab cpp file. Let me add one file that is called data. Yes. Here let me make data cpp file. Great. Now one more, let me add data.header file. Data.header file. Data, right? So friend, the basic difference between this header file and cpp file, just like if you work with view model and mvvm pattern, then this data.header is your let's say model kind of class where you can assign your uh, properties. Let me show you how I have created already. So let me copy this. You can add this all namespace here. Let me add here, even you can create one namespace right like this. So here I had added namespace windows application model dot resource of core. One more is for windows foundation, one more windows foundation collection, XAML data, XAML media and imaging. So here I added one attribute that is called UI XAML data bindable, and one metadata is web host at hidden attribute. So here basically I created one class for public ref class item, and this is seal class. So I created two properties that is called string for category and title. I created one event handler for property change where we can assign the value whenever property is changed. So this is public item class. Here property change, I am changing the value, that time it propagate. This is title my property, and here category. I created two property. Reference header collection. Okay. So this is where item C plus plus let me add into item my cpp class, my data. Here I can add this is cpp class. Let me copy, put into data.cpp. Yes. So let me assign the value here. I am assigning the value of this item class. So I had created one another class that is called public ref class store data, where I can assign the value here. So item is the collection of item. This is vector. This is the where exactly you can say list. But we are working with C sharp, so we have a list of class. Then here we have a vector and item of head, that is the pointer class. So we are creating item object, and every item object we are creating new reference of new item. An item of dereferral, I mean item like dot, we have in C sharp, we are assigning the value here. Item category, we are assigning value, and